ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ ውድ የኮንዞም ቤተሰቦች እንዴት ናችሁ? የዛሬው ዝግጅታችን ተጀምሯል። የዛሬው ዝግጅታችን የሚሆነው ደግሞ ግሬድ 12 ኢኮኖሚክስ ዩኒት 2 አግሪጌት ዲማንድ ኤንድ አግሪጌት ሰፕላይ አናላይሲስ የሚለው ዩኒት ላይ ሞዴል መልቲፕል ቾይስ ኩዌስችንስ ዊዝ ዲቴል ኤክስፕላኔሽን ፓርት 2ን እናያለን። እንደምታስታውሱት ባለፈው ፓርት 1 13 ጥያቄዎችን በደንብ ጥልቅ ባለ ማብራሪያ አይተናል። ዛሬ ደግሞ በመቀጠል ሌሎች 12 ጥያቄዎችን እናያለን ማለት ነው። እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች ባይዘው ለ12ኛ ክፍል ለዩኒቨርሲቲ መግቢያ ፈተናችሁ በእነሱ ሞዴል መሰረት የተዘጋጁ ቻፕተሩን ምን ያህል ተረድታችሁታል የሚለውን ለመጠየቅ የሚያዘጋጁ ናቸው። ለክላስ ፈተና ይሆናችኋል። ሶ በደንብ ብትከታተሉ ደስ ይለኛል። ሌሎች እንዲደርስ ሼር አድርጉልኝ። ቪዲዮን ከወዳችሁ ላይክ አድርጉት። የቻናል ቤተሰብ የሆናችሁ ደግሞ የደወል ምልክቷን በመጫን ቤተሰብ ሁኑ። በየቀኑ የምለቃችሁ ቪዲዮዎች ይደርሷችኋል። ሶ ጥያቄ አስተያየት ካላችሁ ደግሞ አስቀምጡልኝ። በሱ መሰረት የምናየው ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 14ኛው ጥያቄ ምንድነው? ስታግ ኢንፍሌሽን ኢዝ ዘ ፕሮብለማቲክ ኢኮኖሚክ ሲቹዌሽን ካራክተራይዝድ ባይ ስታግ ኢንፍሌሽን የሚባል አለ። ሶ ስታግ ኢንፍሌሽን ምንድነው? ፕሮብለማቲክ ኢኮኖሚክ ሲቹዌሽን ነው። ጸባዩ እንዴት ይገለጻል ነው። ወይም ሲምፕሊ ስታግ ኢንፍሌሽን ማለት ነው ሬዚንግ ፕራይስ ኤንድ ራይዚንግ አውትፑት፣ ቢ ፎሊንግ ፕራይስ ኤንድ ፎሊንግ አውትፑት፣ ሲ ራይዚንግ ፕራይስ ኤንድ ፎሊንግ አውትፑት፣ ዲ ፎሊንግ ፕራይስ ኤንድ ራይዚንግ አውትፑት። ስታግ ኢንፍሌሽን ማለት ነው stagnation is a problematic of stagnation. Stagflation ማለት የስታግኔሽን ፕሮብለም ነው። Problematic of the stagnation, which means falling output and rising unemployment and inflation. Rising price. ስለዚህ ስታግፍሌሽን ማለት ነው አንደኛ ኢኮኖሚው አውትፑቱ እየቀነሰ ነው፣ ነገር ግን ሃየር ኢምፕሎይመንት አለ። So it is particularly problematic because the tool to fight one problem, boosting aggregate demand, to fight stagnation will worsen the other, inflation. ስለዚህ stagflation ማለት ነው ራይዚንግ ፕራይስ እና ፎሊንግ አውትፑት አንድ ላይ ኦከር ሲያደርጉ የሚፈጠር የኢኮኖሚክ ፕሮብለም stagflation ይባላል። Stagflation is almost exclusively caused by negative supply shock such as sharp increase in oil price የመሳሰሉት ማለት ነው። This shock shifts the short-term aggregate supply curve to the left, resulting in higher price level inflation and lower level of GDP ወይም stagnation. ስለዚህ stagflation occurs when there is stagnation, which means lower level of GDP, and inflation, which means higher price, general price rise in the economy ማለት ነው። stagflation ማለት ይሄ ነው። 15ኛው ጥያቄ which of the following is a clear example of negative supply shock? ሰፕላይ ሾኮች ሁለት ናቸው። ፖዚቲቭ ሰፕላይ ሾክ አለ፣ ኔጌቲቭ ሰፕላይ ሾክ አለ። ነገር ግን የጥያቄ ምንድነው የሚለው የኔጌቲቭ ሰፕላይ ሾክ ክሊር ኤግዛምፕል የሆነው የትኛው ነው? ኤ ሻርፕ ዲክሪዝ ኢን ገቨርንመንት ዲፌንስ ስፔንዲንግ፣ ቢ ኔሽናል ድሮት ዛት ዲስትሮይስ አግሪካልቸራል ክሮፕስ ኤንድ ራይዝስ ፉድ ፕራይስ፣ ሲ ዲክሪዝ ኢንተረስት ሬት ባይ ዘ ናሽናል ባንክ፣ ዲ አን ኢንክሪዝ ኢን ኮንሱመር ኮንፊደንስ ዲው ቱ ፒስ አግሪመንት። መልሱ ሲምፕሊ ኔሽናል ድሮት ዛት ዲስትሮይ አግሪካልቸራል ክሮፕስ ኤንድ ራይዝድ ፉድ ፕራይስ ነው። A negative supply shock ማለት ነው is an event that suddenly decreases the economy's productive capacity or increase the cost of production for a wide range of industries. Negative supply shock ማለት suddenly happen የሚያደርግ እና ኢኮኖሚው of the productive capacity of the economy በwide range of industry negatively affect የሚያደርግ ነው። and drought ለምሳሌ this destroys a key resource, agricultural products, reducing the supply of foods and other agro-based products. This directly reduced output and gives up cost for business producers, restaurants, consumers, and finally shifting the short-run aggregate supply curve to the left. Drought matter. And ለምሳሌ decrease in government spending, this is a change in aggregate demand, G, not aggregate supply. Decrease in interest rate, M, aggregate demand and aggregate supply አይደለም. This stimulates investment and consumption, which change in aggregate demand, and increase consumer confidence, this boosts consumption, C, which is change in aggregate demand. ስለዚህ ኤሲ እና ዲ ምንድን ናቸው? የአግሪጌት ዲማንድ ናቸው እንጂ የአግሪጌት ሰፕላይ አይደለም ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ኔጌቲቭ ሰፕላይ ሾክ ድራውት ነው። ኩዌስችን 16 the wealth effect ማለት እንደሆነ ቪዲዮ ላይ ታስታውሳላችሁ። ባይዘው ሁሉንም ከ9ኛ ክፍል እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል ያሉ ሁሉም የኢኮኖሚክስ ቻፕተሮች በደንብ ተሰርተው ተቀምጠዋል። እነሱንም መኮምኮም ነው በቃ። እነሱን ካነባችሁ ኢንትራንስ 100% እንደምታመጡ አልጠራጠርም። The wealth effect explains the downward slope of aggregate demand curve by focusing on how a change in the price level affects A, the interest rate and the level of investment, B, the international competition of domestic goods, C, the real value of financial assets and consequent consumer spending, D, business expectation about future sales and profit. Simply wealth effect C ነው። the real value of financial asset and consequent consumer spending ነው። ምን ማለት ነው? The wealth effect is specifically about the link between price level and the real wealth of a nation and a consumption. wealth effect ማለት specifically the link between price level, the real value of wealth እና consumption የሶስቱ ሊንክ የሚያጠና ነው wealth effect ማለት። so when price level fall, price level ሲቀንስ the nominal amount of money you hold or cash bank deposit ምን ይሆናል? cannot be more goods and services buy ማድረግ ይችላል። more goods and services buy ማድረግ ከቻለ you feel richer in real term በሪል ተርም richer እንደሆንክ ይሰማሃል ማለት ነው። this increase in real wealth ሲጨምር makes you more financial secure and less inclined to save, encouraging you to spend more on consumption. this increased spending contributes to higher quantity of real GDP demanded and the reverse happens when the price level rise. So simply, the wealth effect explains the downward slope of the aggregate demand curve by focusing on how change in the price level affects the real value of financial assets and consequent consumer spending ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question 17 if business become universally optimistic ከሆነ about future profitability, the most likely immediate impact ምን ይሆናል ነው? a moment down along the demand curve, aggregate demand curve. B, a leftward shift of the short run supply curve. C, a rightward shift on the aggregate demand curve. D, a leftward shift on the aggregate demand curve. Simply መልሱ C ነው። business optimism about the future directly influences your spending plan. ስለ future ያለው optimism, business optimism future spending directly ያደርጋል፣ influence ያደርጋል። so when firms expect higher future sales and profit, business firms future profit እና sale higher ይሆናል ብለው expect ካደረጉ they are more likely to invest in new capital projects today, building new factories, buying new machineries and expanding operation. so this increase in investment, which is a major component of aggregate demand, means that at every given level of price, total planned expenditure in the economy ይጨምራል፣ higher ይሆናል። this is represented by a lightward shift in the entire aggregate demand curve. simply ምንድነው? ቢዝነሶች about the future universal optimist ከሆኑ most likely immediate impact ምንድነው? rightward shift in the aggregate demand. firms higher sales and profit ወደፊት expect ካደረጉ ምን ያደርጋሉ? likely in new capital project, building new factory, buying new machinery, expanding operation ያደርጋሉ፣ ኢንቨስት ያደርጋሉ። ኢንቨስትመንት ከጨመረ ደግሞ ኢንቨስትመንት የአግሪጌት ዲማንድ ሜን ኮምፖነንት ነው። ምክንያቱም አግሪጌት ዲማንድ ሲ ፕላስ አይ ፕላስ ጂ ፕላስ ኤክስ ማይነስ ኤም ስለሆነ ኢንቨስትመንት ዘ ሜጀር ኮምፖነንት ኦፍ አግሪጌት ዲማንድ ከሆነ ይጨምራል። አግሪጌት ዲማንድ ከጨመረ ደግሞ ፕላንድ ስፔንዲንግ ይጨምራል። ዘ ኢንታየር አግሪጌት ዲማንድ ከር ወደ ራይት ዋርድ ሽፍት ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ መልሱ ሲ ነው። question 18 in the long run an economy that experiences a major positive technological shock will typically experience, እንግዲህ ሎንግ ራን ኢኮኖሚ ኤክስፒሪየንስ የሚያደርገው ሜጀር ፖዚቲቭ ቴክኖሎጂካል ሾክ ታይፒካል ኤክስፒሪየንስ የሚሆነው በምንድን ነው? a lower price level and the same level of output. b a higher price level and higher level of output. c a lower price level and higher level of output. d the same price level and higher level of output. መልሱ ሲምፕሊ ሲ ነው። a positive technological shock ማለት the innovation of internet and new ways of doing things faster and easier የመሳሰሉት ናቸው። so a positive technological shock improves productivity, meaning the economy can produce more output with the same amount of input. ያ ማለት production possible frontier outward shift ይኖረዋል ማለት ነው። this increases the economic potential output. positive technological shock ካለ the economic potential output ይጨምራል። እሱ ሲጨምር ደግሞ shifting the long run aggregate supply curve to the right, aggregate supply curve ወደ right ይጨምራል። this also acts as positive supply shock. እንደ positive supply shock አክት ያደርጋል፣ lowering production cost, shifting the short run aggregate supply curve to the right. by the way short run aggregate supply curve vertical ነው፣ long run aggregate supply curve ነው upward sloping. so as the short run aggregate supply curve shift to the right, it leads to a new equilibrium with higher level of real GDP, the new potential and lower price level. This is how economic growth is represented in the aggregate demand, aggregate supply model ማለት ነው። So in the long run, an economy that experiences a major positive technological shock will typically experience a lower price level and higher level of output. ምክንያቱም ይሄ ፖዚቲቭ ሰፕላይ ሾክ ነው፣ ቢዝነስ ኦፕቲሚዝም ስላለ ማለት ነው። ይሄ ኩዌሽን 18 ነው። ኩዌሽን 19 what is the most likely long run effect of permanent increase in government spending on an economy that is initially in at its potential GDP? እንግዲህ ኢኮኖሚው መጀመሪያ ላይ ምንድነው at potential GDP ነው፣ ፖቴንሻል GDP ነው። ነገር ግን permanent increase in government spending ያለው long run effect ምን ይሆናል ነው? A permanent increase in real GDP above its potential level. B, a permanent decrease in the price level. C, no change in real GDP but a higher price level. D, a decrease in both real GDP and the price level. መልሱ simply C ነው። This highlights the limit of demand side policy in the long run. የዲማንድ ሳይድ ፖሊሲ in the long run highlight ያደርጋል። If the economy is already at full capacity, ኢኮኖሚው full capacity ከሆነ ወይም on its long run aggregate supply curve ከሆነ an increase in government spending shifts aggregate demand curve to the right. government spending ሲጨምር aggregate demand curve ይጨምራል ወይም to the right shift ያደርጋል። But in the short run, this can push output above potential. However, in the long run, the overheated economy causes wage and other costs to rise. እንዲጨምሩ ያደርጋል። The short run aggregate supply curve shifts to the left until the economy returns to the original potential GDP level. And the only permanent effect is that the price level is now higher. Price level ይጨምራል። This is a classic case of the long run crowding out where government spending simply buys up price without creating lasting growth. So the most likely long run effect of permanent increase in government spending on an economy that is initially at its potential GDP ከሆነ no change in real GDP but higher price level ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሎንግ ራን ስለሆነ ምክንያቱም ኢኮኖሚ አት ናቹራል ስለሆነ ማለት ነው። ፉል ኢምፕሎይመንት ላይ ስለሆነ ፕራይስ ሌቭሉ ይጨምራል። ሪል ጂዲፒ ላይ ግን የሚያመጣው ለውጥ የለም። ክላሲኩ ሎንግ ራን ክራውዲንግ አፌክት ስላለው። ይሄ 19ኛው ጥያቄ ነው። 20ኛው ጥያቄ the interest rate effect suggests that a higher price level leads to A, lower interest rate and less investment. B, higher interest rate and less investment. C, lower interest rate and more consumption. D, higher interest rate and more saving. Simply መልሱ B ነው። ይሄ this effect works through money market የሚሰራ ነው። A higher price level means people need more money in their wallet and bank account to conduct their daily transaction to buy the same basket of new more expensive goods. This increases the demand for money ይጨምራል። If the central bank does not increase the supply of money demand ጨምር ብሔራዊ ባንክ supply of money ካልጨመረ the increased demand for a fixed supply will drive up the price of money. interest rate ማለት ነው። interest rate ይጨምራል። higher interest rate makes loans more expensive. higher interest rate ደግሞ ሎን ብድርን ምን ያደርገዋል? more expensive ያደርገዋል። This discourage farmers from borrowing to fund new investment ይቀንሳል and discourage households from taking out loans for cars and houses. Finally, consumption ይቀንሳል ማለት ነው። This reduction in spending is why the quantity of real GDP demanded for when the price level rise. price level ሲጨምር GDP ይቀንሳል። ስለዚህ ሲምፕሊ ኢንተረስት ሬት ኢፌክት ሲጨምር ኮንሰምፕሽን ይቀንሳል፣ ኢንቨስትመንት ይቀንሳል። the interest rate effect suggests that a higher price level leads to higher interest rate and less investment. finally less consumption, aggregate demand ይቀንሳል ማለት ነው። ይሄ 20ኛው ጥያቄ ነው። question 21 which factor would lead to an increase ወይም rightward shift in the short run aggregate supply curve? የአግሪጌት ሰፕላይ ሾርት ረን አግሪጌት ሰፕላይን ኢንክሪዝ እንዲያደርግ rightward shift እንዲኖር የሚያስችለው ምክንያት የትኛው ነው? A, an increase in the price of imported oil. B, a decrease in nominal wage due to a new labor agreement. C, a severe drought affecting agricultural output. D, an increase in business tax. መልሱ C simply B ነው። rightward shift in short run aggregate supply short run aggregate supply leftward shift ማለት production costs have fallen so firms are willing to supply more at any given price level ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ ቢን ስናይ lower wages are primary cost for most firms. wages ለአብዛኞቹ ፈርሞች ፕራይመሪ ኮስት ናቸው። a decrease in nominal wage directly lowers production cost, increasing profitability and the incentive to produce more, shifting the short run aggregate supply curve to the right. higher oil price ከሆነስ A increase energy cost shifting short run aggregate supply curve to the left C drought ከሆነስ destroy resource and raises cost for many industry shifting short run aggregate supply curve to the left እንደውም ኔጌቲቭ ሰፕላይ ሾክ ስለሆነ higher business tax increase cost shifting short run aggregate supply curve to the left so which of the following leads to an increase rightward shift in the short run aggregate supply የሚሆነው ምንድነው ማለት ነው a decrease in nominal wage due to new labor agreement ነው ማለት ነው new labor agreement ነው ማለት ነው question 22 if the short run equivalent level of real GDP the short run equivalent level of real GDP is greater than potential GDP ያማል longer aggregate supply the economic experiences አሁን short run equivalent level of GDP አለ long run potential GDP አለ short run long run ከበለጠ ምን ይሆናል ነው ኢኮኖሚ ምን ኤክስፒሪየንስ ያደርጋል ነው A recessionary gap B an inflationary gap C long run equilibrium D negative supply shock most simply inflationary gap ነው የሚፈጥረው the inflationary gap ማለት ነው it exists when the short run equilibrium level of output exceeds the output's the economy's potential full employment output inflationary gap የሚፈጠረው short run equivalent level of output ከlong run the economy potential full employment level of output ሲበልጥ ነው this implies that resources are being used beyond their sustainable capacity which means factors are running over time and unemployment is very low leading to shortage of worker this overutilization creates upward pressure on wages and price the economy self-correcting mechanism will be left to shift in the short run aggregate supply curve as cost rise eventually closing the gap but higher price level ስለዚህ simply inflationary gap ምንድነው ብትባል ምንድነው ማለት ነው short run equivalent level of output ከፖቴንሻል ወይም ከፉል ኤምፕሎይመንት ፖቴንሻል ኦፍ ዘ ኢኮኖሚ ሲያንስ ነው ይሄ ደግሞ ምን ያደርጋል በሾርት ራን ፋክተሪስ ረኒንግ ኦቨር ታይም አንኤምፕሎይመንት ያነሰ ነው በዚህ ምክንያት ሾርቴጅ ኦፍ ወርከር ይፈጥራል ሾርቴጅ ኦፍ ወርከር ሲፈጠር ደግሞ ዌጅ ይጨምራል ዌጅ ሲጨምር ደግሞ ፋይናሊ ሌፍት ዋርድ ሽፍት ይፈጥራል ማለት ሶ if the equilibrium long short run equilibrium level of real GDP is greater than the potential GDP the economy is experiencing an inflationary gap ማለት ነው an inflationary gap ማለት ነው question 23 the concept of mean cost is most directly related to explaining እንግዲህ በኢንፍሌሽን ጊዜ ሁለት ኮስቶች አሉ ሹሌዘር ኮስት and mean cost የሚባሉ በዚህ የተጠየቅነው ምንድነው mean cost ምንን ኤክስፕሌን ያደርጋል ነው A the aggregate demand curve slopes downward B the short run aggregate supply curve is upward sloping C price can be sticky in the short run D the long run aggregate supply curve is vertical simply concept of mean cost ከprice sticky ከኢንፍሌሽን ጋር የተያያዘ ነው mean costs are the small costs associated with changing price mean cost ምን ማለት ናቸው they are the small costs associated with changing price The name comes from the literal cost for a restaurant to print a new menu. However, it extends to all costs of price adjustment, retagging item, updating catalog, informing sales staff, and even the potential announce to customers. Because of those costs, firms may not change their price for every small shift in demand. By the way, experience እናደርገዋለን ወርድ ላይ this leads to price stickiness. Price stickiness lead ያደርጋል meaning price do not adjust instantly. This stickiness is a fundamental reason why the short run aggregate supply curve is not vertical in the short run. Firms respond to change in the price level by changing output rather than immediately adjusting their own price. ይቅርታ ቀደም ምን ብያችሁ ነበር short run aggregate supply curve vertical ነው ብያችሁ ነበር long run aggregate supply curve ነው vertical short run upward sloping ነው እንዳላሽታችሁ the short run aggregate supply curve vertical አይደለም upward sloping ነው vertical long run aggregate supply curve ነው so the concept of mean cost is most likely related to explaining why price can be sticky in the short run price sticky በshort run ለምን price sticky እንደሚሆን ምን የሚያደርግ ነው ማለት ነው explain የሚያደርግ ነው ማለት ነው question 24 an appreciation of the Ethiopian birr would most likely A increase export and decrease import B decrease both export and import C increase import and decrease export D have no effect on net export simply appreciation ምንድነው increasing the value of domestic currency in terms of foreign currency ማለት ነው An appreciation means the birr gains value. It can buy more units of foreign currency. Example, $1 ለ50 ብር ቢሆን አፕሬስ ሲደረግ $1 45 ብር ማለት ነው። ኢፌክት ኦን ኤክስፖርት ምንድነው? አን ኢትዮጵያን ፕሮዳክት ዛት ኮስትስ 450 ብር would now cost $10 ኮስት ያደርጋሉ። ኢንስቴድ ኦፍ $10 ኮስት የሚያደርገው ወደ $9 ይቀንሳል። the higher the dollar price makes Ethiopian goods less competitive abroad, so export ምን ይሆናል? ዲክሪዝ ያደርጋል። ኢፌክት ኦን ኢምፖርትስ ላይ ደግሞ an American product that costs $100 would now cost at 4,500 ብር ማለት 100 times 45 instead of 5,000 ብር. So the lower the ብር price makes foreign goods more attractive, import ይጨምራል። The combination of lower export and higher import means net export x minus m ይቀንሳል, which decreases aggregate demand. Simply appreciation ማለት increasing the price of domestic currency in terms of foreign currency ነው። ይሄ ደግሞ ምን ይላል? ባላምንበትም ሳይንሱ ኤክስፖርት ይቀንሳል፣ ኢምፖርት ደግሞ ይጨምራል፣ እኛ ለስ ኮምፒቲቲቭ ያደርገናል። ያው ፕሪቪየስ ሲንገር ሃይፖቴሲስ ጄከርቭ የሚባል አለ። ሶ ሳይንሱ እንዴት ይዞስ አን አፕሬሽን ኦፍ ኢትዮጵያን ብር would most likely increase import and decrease export, finally net export x minus m እንዲቀንስ ያደርጋል ነው። 24ኛው ጥያቄ question 25 how does a significant increase in the price of key imported resource like oil affects aggregate demand, aggregate supply model? The significant increase in price of key imported goods like oil, aggregate demand and aggregate supply curve እንዴት affect ያደርገዋል ነው። A, it shifts aggregate demand curve to the left. B, it shifts short-run aggregate supply curve to the left. C, it shifts long-run aggregate supply curve to the right. D, it causes a moment along the short-run aggregate supply curve. Simply መልሱ B ነው። Oil is a critical input for transportation, manufacturing and energy production. ነዳጅ የማይገባበት የኢኮኖሚ ክፍል የለም። ሲምፕሊ ለትራንስፖርቴሽን፣ ለማኑፋክቸሪንግ፣ ለኤነርጂ ፕሮዳክሽን ለፈለግ ነገር እንጠቀምበታለን። a large increase in its price, large የኦይል ፕራይስ ሲጨምር a large increase in price raises production costs across a vast swath of the economy. For example, transportation costs rise for all goods and energy cost increase for factories. Where costs of production rise, cost of production ሲጨምር firms find it less profitable to produce at any given selling price. ዋጋቸው ይጨምርበታል። Therefore, at every price level of the vertical axis, the quantity of output that firms are willing to supply ይቀንሳል። እሱ ከቀነሰ ደግሞ this is represented by the leftward shift of the short run aggregate supply curve. aggregate supply ምን ይሆናል? ይቀንሳል። This is a graphical depiction of the negative supply shock which leads to stagflation. ወደ stagflation የሚመራ negative supply shock ነው ማለት ነው። So how does the significant increase in the price of key imported resource like oil affects aggregate demand, aggregate supply curve? It shifts the short run aggregate supply curve to the left. aggregate supply curve ወደ left ያደርገዋል። ምክንያቱም ኦይል የማይገባበት ነገር ስለሌለ ኮስት ኦፍ ፕሮዳክሽን ስለሆነ ኮስት ኦፍ ፕሮዳክሽን ኮስቱ ከጨመረ ደግሞ አውትፑቱ ይቀንሳል ማለት ነው። በዚሁ የዛሬው ለሰና አጠናቃለን። በቀጣይ ሁሉንም ቻፕተሮች እንደዚሁ ቻፕተር 3 ቻፕተር 4 ከ9 እስከ 12 ያሉትን ሁሉንም እንደዚሁ አዘጋጅላችኋለሁ። በእነዚህ መሰረት ምን ያህል አውቀናል የሚለውን ተፈትሹበታላችሁ። ለኢንትራንስ ተዘጋጁበት አላችሁ እንደምጠቅማችሁ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። ጥያቄ ካላችሁ አስቀምጡልኝ። በመሰራላችሁ ነገር የምትፈልጉት ካለ አስቀምጡልኝ። በጥያቄያችሁ መሰረት ተዘጋጅቼ ወደ እናንተ የማቀርብ ይሆናል። ቤተሰብ ስለምትሆኑ አመሰግናለሁ። ሌሎች እንዲደርሱ ደግሞ ሼር አድርጉልኝ። ጓደኞቻችሁ የሚጠቀሙ እውነት አልሰማችሁም። ጓደኞቻችሁ ይጠቀሙ። እናንተ ብቻ ለምን በቀላሉ ትማራለን? በቃ ሌሎች የሚጠቀሙ ሼር አድርጉት፣ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉት፣ ቤተሰብ ሁኑ። የዛሬውን በዚህ እናጠናቅቃለን። እስከዛ ድረስ ሰላም ቆዩ።